The C00 error code on a Whirlpool washer indicates a door lock issue, which appears during a quick test diagnostic guide. This code can be caused by a diagnostic error or a miscommunication between the motor control unit (MCU) and the central control unit (CCU). To fix the issue, one possible solution is to run diagnostics. If the C00 code appears during diagnostics, it may be due to missing the sequence of pressing 3 buttons. To resolve this, disconnect the washer from the power supply, wait a few seconds, and then reconnect the power source without turning on the machine. Next, press the temperature, soil level, and spin speed buttons in sequence. If the sequence is correct, the machine will light up. Then, press the soil level button, followed by the start button, and finally tap the power button twice. If this does not work, the issue may be with the MCU. In this case, the top panel below the tub needs to be removed, and the wire connections inspected. If the connections are secure, it is likely that the MCU has failed and needs to be replaced.